of everything surrounding us. Beautiful landscapes, seasons and contrasts, water, life itself. It is a beautiful world, and it is our responsibility to keep it that way. Man's ever-increasing demand of energy constantly requires new and clean techniques to satisfy the crowd. Our sun creates winds, and wind is a powerful and clean source to meet these demands. Wind power has become increasingly popular. They are good for the environment, and there is no air pollution from them whatsoever. But in many cases, wind turbines need to be constructed in areas which are remotely located and not easily accessible. This, in combination with the requirements of staying green, puts very high demands on the construction process. We are a company based out in the middle of Sweden, and we specialize in one of the steps of making all this possible in harsh and remote terrains. A normal wind turbine can be anything up to 150 meters, or 1.5 times the height of the Statue of Liberty, with a lifespan of at least 20 years and its purpose to catch as much wind as possible. It is only understandable that they need to be well mounted to Mother Earth. Our job is to produce the concrete for the foundation of this purpose. Because of the nature of concrete and the remoteness of construction sites, it is much more suitable to complete the process on site instead of transporting the final product. Therefore, our ability to be mobile is of crucial importance. There are several benefits of production on site, both environmental and practical. For instance, transporting raw material can be done 4 times more efficient than concrete itself. Concrete stays fresh for only 2 hours, which can be critical should the construction site be situated far away from the factory. Production on site means a much more dynamic workflow and leaves room for adjustments during the process. Maintaining a mobile production site for high-quality concrete involves several steps and requires a good organization with the right tools for the job. This process we develop into perfection. Since concrete is made of several components, the timing for transporting the raw material to the site has to be perfectly organized. New material has to be delivered at a suitable pace to maintain workflow. Concrete can be used for several purposes and produced in different qualities. The components are therefore being mixed individually for each product. Our machines measure the gravel down to a single rock. We also have systems to measure water and other liquid components. This system is of course faulty-proof and stores an exact copy to take over the job if the first one fails. Everything to ensure a steady workflow. For every foundation produced, we take several quality samples for tests and reports. This is a very important step to make sure that every foundation meets its requirements. Each sample is being brought back to our field laboratory, where different tests are made and recorded to make sure that the concrete maintains the correct quality. Cube samples are brought back to our office where further compressive strength tests are performed. Test reports are then archived and delivered to our customers. We make concrete.